Hi guys, I'm Dr. Karishma Singh, owner and co-founder of the Skin Firm. Today we're going to talk about a few trends that can repair your skin's barrier. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's begin with a basic understanding of what a barrier means. So basically, your skin's barrier is the outermost layer of your skin which protects you from harsh environmental damage or any other infections that might cause damage to your skin. The outermost layer of your skin consists of tough cells that are bound together in a brick like formation that don't allow any harsh environmental damage to occur. It also protects your skin from getting dehydrated, which means that it will hold water inside your skin and keep it nice and moist. A few important contents of your barrier are cholesterol, fatty acids, amino acids, and also ceramides, which I'm sure all of you must have heard of, specifically in your moisturizer contents. The next important point is to understand what are some of the things that can cause damage to your skin's barrier or the outer layer of your skin. So, number one comes stress, number two are any kind of nutritional deficiencies, specifically your vitamin D3 and your B. These are two main vitamins that can cause immediate impact on your skin's barrier. Third is your hormonal imbalance, specifically in women. Fourth can be excessive hot water showers, which can strip the skin of its natural fatty acids and oils. Again, the other most important thing are any other environmental factors such as your surroundings, so dust, excessive heat, sun damage. These are the environmental factors. And last but not the least is over exfoliating your skin. So using a harmful, repetitively using a loofah or harmful scrubbing methods that can strip your natural oil. Other factors that are responsible for damaging your barrier are constant use or a long term use of steroids. Also, genetic factors can play a major role in how your barrier is created or what your barrier currently looks like. Now, the most important signs that you can look for to understand whether your barrier is impaired are: first, your skin feels extremely dry. Second, if you have sensitive skin, like I always say, sensitivity is not a good thing. If your skin is sensitive, I hear this from so many patients, मेरा skin बहुत sensitive है मैम. ये अच्छी बात नहीं है, because sensitivity means that your barrier is definitely impaired and it's not doing its work. Third comes any sign of discoloration or infection on your skin. Fourth is itching or scaling of the outermost layer. Fifth comes acne, is also a sign of barrier impairment. And last but not the least, your skin will lose its luster, which means it looks dull. Now, to come to our main topic, is basically what to do now. Now that we have understood what your barrier is, how to tell if it's not functioning properly, what are the things that are affecting your barrier. Now we come to the main thing, which means what am I supposed to do to treat it. Now, there are a lot of things that you can do at home, such as use a good ceramide based moisturizer, avoid taking hot water baths uh, on a regular basis, avoid the use of loofah on a regular basis, check your nutrition, so get a regular blood checkup done. And if anything is not at its optimum level, then start supplementing these things. Then you must make sure that your stress is channeled to a positive place. If you are under some bad habits such as alcohol or smoking, start avoiding those as well, etc. There are so many things that you can do at home. But two most important things: look for a ceramide based moisturizer that will help repair your barrier instantly, and always wear your sunscreen. So, quick tips that you can do at home. Now, I'm going to tell you what you can do at a doctor's clinic that will help repair your barrier after trying everything at home. So now most of the treatments that are done at a clinic are always going to be based or focused on repairing your skin's barrier. No matter acne treatments, pigmentary changes treatments, or any other sensitivity issue treatments that you are doing. All of these are going to be focused on repairing barriers. It will be focused on generating collagen and elastin, and also some of it is focused on rehydrating your skin so that it can do its own work. The most common treatment with no downtime, with no need for prepping your skin, no need for any previous use of medications to enhance the appearance, or any prescription as such, is mostly loved by everyone, are medifacials. Now let's talk about medifacials that are available that will definitely help in repairing your barrier. Obviously, I would recommend that you get a few sessions done, because one session will not be more than enough. Obviously, it will cover your problems to say around 30 to 40%, but it's always good to do a few sessions to get long term results. So number one comes ceramide rich medifacials, which means that these medifacials have ingredients such as your lactic acid, it has ingredients or antioxidants such as your vitamin C. Medifacials should include, specifically when you're trying to repair your barrier, ingredients such as amino acids that can help hold on to your water binding capacity. Then medifacials should include peptides, it should also include ceramides. So basically, ceramides are a chain of fatty acids that help nourish and hydrate your skin. Peptides will help stimulate your collagen by generating or stimulating fibroblasts. So, all of this has to be there in your medifacial, keeping in mind that we are trying to repair your barrier. These also have the added benefit of giving you pigmentary changes, which means if you are facing any hyperpigmentation, you'll experience nice glowing skin, brightening of your skin. If you have fine lines or wrinkles, you start experiencing anti-aging because of formation of collagen and elastin. If you have any other issues such as sensitivity or redness, excessive rosacea, then definitely you will start seeing improvement in these things as well as you go along your treatment. Another common medifacial which is beloved by everyone is Hydrafacial, and it definitely is rightly so, because everyone has commonly gotten, whoever has gotten an Hydrafacial has always given us a feedback that they love the way their skin feels so hydrated. The main ingredients that are used in Hydrafacial are always going to play a major role in what result is going to uh, be there at the end of that treatment. Another medifacial that you can definitely try for barrier repair is anything that has oxygen infusing capacities to your skin, because these can take away your free radicals from your barrier and then in turn start repairing your barrier and help in repairing your barrier. One of the most famous other medifacials that people love specifically is vampire facial, commonly known as PRP facials. So this is a facial which might have slight downtime of 1 or 2 days, where you experience a little bit of redness and inflammation of your skin, but it has wonderful results because it is not something that we are using from outside. We are taking your own blood, creating plasma, and then trying to put it back into your epidermis. So that is going to help repair your barrier with your own natural plasma. Another medifacial that you can try out is where the use of derma stamps is needed. So derma stamps basically don't penetrate very excessively into your skin. They are extremely superficial. They don't cause any added damage, and there is very little downtime. And the things that are commonly used when you're using a derma stamp, sometimes Botox is used, sometimes copper peptides are used, vitamin C is used, you can use niacinamide, you can use hyaluronic acid, you can use other amino acids, you can also use pre-made miso cocktails which are easily available in the market, and these are safe and give you long lasting benefits as well. Another treatment, not specifically your medifacial, but another separate treatment that you can try out is skin booster injections, which are now easily available everywhere. These are great. They give you instant results in just one session. They give you long term results, which will last at least 7 to 8 months. They take care of whatever dryness that you're facing. They give you that nice plumpy appearance. They take care of your glowing skin. They also are a great way to reintroduce moisture back into your skin. So these are some of the treatments that are very much loved and very safe to do at a clinic. Coming to the end of our discussion, I hope you have understood what your barrier in general means. I hope you understood what is causing harm to your barrier. I hope that it was also helpful for you to understand what are some of the clinical options available for you to go and try out to repair your barrier and get that glass skin. So, I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you so much, everyone.